So how good is 21st century auto insurance? Have you used 21st century auto insurance before? How did you find them? How good are they? Let's talk about it in this quick and short video. So in terms of strengths, let's first look at their strengths, the pluses, why you would probably want to go with them. One reason why you would want to go with them is financial stability. They are basically backed by a Farmers Insurance Group, and they are rated A by AM Best in terms of claims paying ability. So you are guaranteed that your claims will be paid out in case you are involved in an accident or need a claim paid out on your vehicle. They are also renowned for competitive pricing, again, which means you are going to save some money. For $1,000, you can be insured for 6 months, which is 17% cheaper, about 17% cheaper than most average US auto insurance providers. So that's a plus for them. Then they also offer 24/7 roadside assistance, which is a plus on their side. You don't want to be stuck on the side of the road. So for covered vehicles, you get 24/7 insurance. Then they are also renowned for giving discounts on premiums, especially if you are a safe driver, if you are a student driver, and if you have anti-theft systems installed on your vehicle, you can enjoy or take advantage of some of their special discounts. Then they also offer a specialty coverage. So another thing about 21st century auto insurance is their specialty coverage, where they can actually cover also your classic cars, those special cases via Foremost Insurance. So if you have older vehicle from 60s or a classic vehicle that you want covered, you can actually go with 21st century auto insurance. In terms of weaknesses, they've actually been hammered by users in terms of customer service. In terms of customer service, they are renowned, or they have had many negative reviews from customers for their customer service. The BBB rating for them is only 1 out of 5, with main complaints being around claims handling. And in terms of availability, it's another major issue, availability. So they primarily serve only the California area and are not widely available across the US, despite being backed by a Farmers Group. So that works against them. Then the complaint index that they have at the NAIC shows above average complaints, meaning customers report more issues than with their competitors. So that's something that they probably want to work on. Then in terms of coverage options for cover, basically what you get is limited compared to larger insurers like State Farm and Geico. So these are some of the negatives of 21st century auto insurance. Do you use them? Have you used them before? What was your experience? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. The bottom line is that they are a solid auto insurer. Bottom line is they are a solid auto insurer, offering they are financial solid, backed by Farmers Group, and they are budget friendly, but customer service is the major headache. customer service is the major headache with them. So in terms of handling claims, that's where they have most of the complaints from people. Okay, leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. Talk about it later.